Tired of watching your precious locks disappear down the drain. Frustrated with those stubborn bald patches that just won't go away. Don't be forced to believe in some magical hair cream or conditioner. I'm here to tell you that I've got proven remedies for you. In this video, I'm going to share 12 proven remedies that can help you prevent hair loss and regrow new hair. I also have an instant hair growth recipe at the end of the video. There's a lot of gems at the end of the video. Make sure to not miss it all. And here's the best part. I'm also going to share a homemade hair treatment at the middle of the video. So if you're ready to finally have the hair of your dreams, make sure to stay till the end, and let's get started. First on the list is onion juice, the teardrop of transformation. Don't let the pungent aroma fool you. Onion juice is a hair growth powerhouse. Rich in sulfur, this humble kitchen staple stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles, awakening them from their slumber and invigorating them for new hair growth. Most people tend to neglect this and do not pay attention to its use. Secondly, we have green tea. Green tea, the elixir of life, is a treasure trove of antioxidants that combat the free radicals responsible for hair loss. Essential astringent properties cleanse the scalp, removing dirt and buildup, creating a healthy environment for hair growth to flourish. This might be missing in your diet. Try adding it and watch the difference. Thirdly, we have rosemary oil. The aromatic awakening, rosemary oil, with its revitalizing aroma, not only refreshes the senses, but also invigorates hair follicles. Studies have shown that rosemary oil can effectively slow down hair loss and promote new hair growth. For the fourth remedy, we have amla or gooseberry. Amla's secret lies in its rich composition of vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants. Vitamin C, a collagen booster, strengthens hair follicles and prevents breakage. I'm going to show you how to make a homemade hair treatment recipe now using one of these remedies that is so effective you'll be amazed at the results. Blend together 2 tablespoons of amla powder, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the paste to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Regularly incorporate amla into your hair care routine and witness the transformation. Thicker, stronger, and healthier hair. Fifth on the list, we have Bringraj oil. Bringraj oil's effectiveness stems from its rich composition of potent compounds, including alkaloids, fatty acids, and sterols. These compounds work in synergy to promote hair growth. So Bringraj oil stimulates blood flow to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to hair follicles, revitalizing them from the root. Bringraj oil's nutrient-rich composition nourishes hair follicles, anchoring them firmly in the scalp, reducing hair loss. This oil stimulates the hair growth cycle, extending the anagen, active growth phase, and reducing the telogen resting phase, resulting in thicker, longer hair. Before applying the oil, first lukewarm it, as this allows deep penetration into the scalp. Gently massage it in 15 minutes and leave it for some hours or overnight, and later wash it off. The sixth item will be silica, which acts as the structural support. Silica, a trace mineral, plays a crucial role in strengthening hair follicles, providing structural integrity to the hair shaft, and preventing brittleness and breakage. It also stimulates collagen production, promoting scalp health, and creating a favorable environment for hair growth. Let's look at zinc is the 7th proven remedy that works. Zinc is an essential mineral. It's a key player in protein synthesis, which is vital for hair growth. It also regulates oil production on the scalp, preventing scalp conditions that can hinder hair growth. Zinc deficiency can lead to hair loss, so ensuring adequate intake is crucial for healthy hair. Include zinc-rich foods like oysters, red meat, and chickpeas in your diet. Next on the list is apple cider vinegar. A natural pH balancer can help restore balance to the scalp, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Acidic nature helps remove buildup in dead skin cells, promoting scalp health and creating a favorable environment for hair follicles to thrive. Studies have shown that ACV's acetic acid has antimicrobial properties. They may help control bacteria and fungus on the scalp. This potentially lowers the chance of scalp infections or inflammation linked with dandruff. By restoring the scalp's bacterial balance, ACV might help lower itching, flaking, and irritation that dandruff brings. After watching this, dilute apple cider vinegar and add it to your daily routine as a scalp rinse. If you are enjoying these hair growth tips, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your body uses proteins to build tissue cells, including the cells of your hair, skin, and nails. 80 to 85% of your hair is composed of a protein called keratin. Dietary proteins are composed of amino acids, which are your hair's building blocks. Protein is the building block of hair, providing the essential amino acids required for hair growth and repair. Consuming adequate protein is crucial for maintaining strong, healthy hair and preventing hair loss. Protein intake by consuming lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes are very important as they aid in hair growth. The 10th Hair Growth Proven Remedies trace minerals. Consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to ensure adequate trace mineral intake. Trace minerals, including copper, iron, and magnesium, play vital roles in hair health. Copper aids in collagen production, iron carries oxygen to the scalp, and magnesium helps regulate protein synthesis. Ensuring adequate intake of these trace minerals is essential for overall hair health. The 11th on the list is selenium. An antioxidant protects hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to hair loss. It also plays a role in thyroid function, which indirectly influences hair growth. Ensuring adequate selenium intake is crucial for healthy hair. Selenium can help to prevent hair loss by strengthening hair follicles and reducing inflammation in the scalp. Inflammation can damage hair follicles and lead to hair loss, so reducing inflammation can help to keep hair healthy and strong. Foods like Brazil nuts, tuna, and eggs are advised to be taken along with your diet. The last but not the least on our list is vitamin D. It can create new healthy hair follicles, which are essential for hair growth. Your vitamin D levels are important for another reason, though. Vitamin D deficiency is directly related to keratinocytes, a type of cell crucial to the growth of your hair. If your levels of vitamin D are low, hair loss can result merely due to an insufficient supply of these cells. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a critical role in maintaining healthy bones, supporting the immune system, and regulating cell growth and division. It is recommended to get regular sun exposure and consume vitamin D-rich foods such as fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods to prevent vitamin D deficiency. I also have a 13th secret remedy for hair regrowth and an instant hair growth. So here we are. The 13th secret remedy your doctors might not tell you about is folate. Folic acid, often known as vitamin B9 or folate, is a water-soluble vitamin that is necessary for a variety of body activities, including hair health. It contributes to the overall health of your hair by promoting its growth, strength, and beauty. Hair follicles, the tiny factories that produce hair, undergo rapid cell division to create new hair strands. Folate deficiency can disrupt this process, leading to slowed hair growth and even hair loss. For your instant hair growth recipe, make sure you have half cup mashed ripe avocado rich in folate and vitamin, 1 tablespoon Honey Natural Moisturizer, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar for scalp pH balance, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, scalp soothing and hydration, 1 teaspoon zinc oxide powder, a topical source of zinc, half teaspoon bamboo powder, rich source of silica. In a mixing bowl, combine all ingredients until well blended. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, massaging it gently into the root. Cover your hair with a warm towel or shower cap and leave it on for 30-45 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. There you go. Promote hair growth and prevent hair loss over time. By incorporating these nutrients into your daily routine, you can create a nutrient-rich environment that promotes healthy hair growth and helps you achieve your hair growth goal. Make sure to drop comments on the progress of your hair as you apply stated tips. We would love to hear from you. Subscribe and turn on notification to be the first to get notified when contents like these are dropped. Before we wrap up, remember this: the journey to tie luscious locks after 50 isn't just about what you put on your hair, but what you put in your body. These 10 superfoods are your secret weapons for your overall vitality. Click on the video in the top right corner, and I'll see you there.